Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for watching. Today is an extra special video for me because this video is sponsored by HelloFresh. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, it is a meal kit delivery service that you get sent in the mail everything you need to cook absolutely delicious, super fresh, like the name implies, HelloFresh meals. And I am just so in love with this service. I don't know why I haven't tried it sooner. You get literally everything you need sent in this box right here. It's a really large box. Everything you need to cook your meals. It comes with a recipe card so you know exactly what you're doing. And the best part about it is that it's super easy to do. It's super easy to follow. I'm so thankful to be partnering with HelloFresh. I've just super enjoyed it so much. And they're actually offering you guys an amazing promo code. It's for $80 off and also free shipping on your first box. So I'm gonna have the link in the promo code right down in the description box to sign up. I'll also put the promo code here on the screen so you can check it out there too. There are some additional restrictions that will apply, so you can go to HelloFresh.com to check that out if you wanna know further. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I made these delicious Southwest shrimp tacos with pico de gallo and lime crema. That's what the little card looks like. And also what's amazing is they have what's called Calorie Smart plans. They have also family friendly plans that you can get, or vegetarian, a few different ones to choose from. But of course I'm on my weight loss journey, so I did get the Calorie Smart. And it has the calories right there. So for 3 delicious large tacos, it's a lot of food, trust me. It's 620 calories, so you can work it into your weight loss journey if you're on a weight loss journey like I am. It also says the prep time is 10 minutes and the total time to make this delicious meal is only 25 minutes. There's so many things to love about HelloFresh, and the main reason I love it, especially right now in my life, is because I am just not very creative with my meal prep. I love to meal prep, but I've been basically making the same thing weeks on end, and I'm just getting sick of my chicken thighs and sweet potatoes. So I'm so excited to share with you how I meal prepped my Southwestern shrimp tacos with pico de gallo and lime crema, like that. This is one of the recipe cards. I did get 3 recipes altogether, so I'm gonna be trying these out. I also got the garden spinach ricotta ravioli with zucchini ribbons, tomato, and creamy lemon sauce. So the calories on this are 540. And the portion sizes, at least for the shrimp tacos, which is the one that I'm making for today's video, I haven't tried these other 2 yet, but I'm gonna be cooking them right after I film this. They're just very satisfying. It's like all those different fresh ingredients that I don't typically take the time to grocery shop for. The other meal that I'm gonna be meal prepping is the cranberry Dijon pork tenderloin with mashed potatoes and roasted green beans. This is also part of the Calorie Smart plan, and so it's 690 calories. So I cannot wait to cook those and more importantly, eat them. Now, I'm not the biggest chef in the world. I'm kind of a beginner, intermediate a little bit. So I was a little nervous that I wouldn't have like the skill level to make these delicious meals, because look how beautiful that is, right? But I did. Super easy to do, and it was actually really fun because you didn't really have to think too much about it. Just read the 6 simple steps they have on the recipe card, and you're good to go. I think that's everything I wanted to share with you guys in the intro here. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer those for you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the meal prep. I'm starting by pulling out my Southwestern shrimp tacos ingredients. Everything comes in this brown paper sack. As you can see here, all the fresh, delicious ingredients that you will need for this easy recipe. So I'm just taking everything out of my bag here, getting it all ready, got my cutting board ready, and I'm gonna start chopping my veggies. A little tidbit is that over 90% of ingredients are sourced directly from growers. So that ensures the freshest recipes are delivered right to your door with your HelloFresh shipment, which is really cool. That's probably why they taste so fresh. Yeah, I'm just chopping up my veggies. The first step on the directions is to wash and dry all produce, of course. The one tool in my kitchen that I did not have was a zester. So I'm gonna get one of those because actually all 3 recipes that I'm making, they do call for a zester, which I just don't have. So you can definitely improvise. You don't have to follow it exactly as, you know, definitely use what you have, but most kitchens are stocked with all the tools that you need, so you don't have to go out and buy anything specifically for it. Cutting up my limes here. Oh, the limes just make everything so much more fresh. I mean, how many times can I say delicious and fresh? I think I've already said that like 1,000 times. Another reason why I love HelloFresh is because, for example, this pepper, this poblano, not sure if that's how you say it, pepper, is not something, it's totally something I would have skipped if a recipe called for it, but because it was already in my bag of fresh ingredients, it was there and I mixed it in and it was so delicious. It was just really nice to try out basically an ingredient that I normally wouldn't have picked up otherwise. Now I'm just rinsing out my shrimp with cold water. I'm gonna drain that, and this, oh, the shrimp is so fresh tasting and so delicious. And I'm just patting that with a paper towel just to get all the excess water off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my Southwestern spice. It comes already pre-packaged in your meal kit, so everything you need is in that bag, like I said. So I'm just putting that on there. I'm also gonna add a squeeze of lime. I swear that I wouldn't have done this if this was like a different recipe that didn't already come in the mail to me. It's not something I would have bought, and I wouldn't have purchased a lime, and it would have really lacked in flavor. And so just everything comes together and it's just fabulous. So that's what the shrimp is looking like. So now I'm gonna start making my pico de gallo. So I have all my veggies that I already chopped, a little bit of lime, salt and pepper, and I just really, another thing I really love about HelloFresh is that it just takes all the stress out of meal prepping. Sometimes planning and trying to figure out what you're gonna eat, what's gonna go together, which ingredients, it's a little stressful, so this makes it super easy. Now I'm making the crema sauce, or crema, I'm not, like I said, not sure how to say that. It's just, oh, this is just makes the recipe so delicious. Now I'm gonna start making the filling for the shrimp tacos. And I'm doing the poblano pepper that I chopped up, the onions, and some salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil in there as well. And I'm just making that, cooking it about 6 to 7 minutes until everything gets a little bit tender and browned. I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. You can actually see how fresh these ingredients look. I don't know about you guys, but I always waste a lot of food when I actually go out and buy all the ingredients at the grocery store, like for a specific recipe. I end up not knowing exactly how much to buy, and I always have leftovers and waste that just nobody eats. And so that's one more thing I love about HelloFresh. What's also great is that the packaging that HelloFresh uses to ship your food is almost entirely made from recycled or already recycled content. So that's awesome. So now I'm just plating, or basically putting my ingredients into my meal prep containers, so I'll have those for the next few days. And then I had to eat one of the shrimp taco trios. I had to eat one right away after done cooking them, so I did plate one of them. And so I'm just portioning those out equally, nothing too crazy. And then I decided to add the pico de gallo in the other compartment of my meal prep containers. It's just easier that way to keep it separate and to be able to kind of top it when you're actually reheating the food, when you're ready to eat it for your meal prep foods. And then I'm gonna take that crema sauce and just drizzle that over the taco filling. And then I'm gonna make this look somewhat pretty, which is not my expertise. I'm no food blogger. This is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. I mean, it just truly was so fresh tasting. All the ingredients came together and absolutely made the meal. So as you saw, I did meal prep 3 of those shrimp taco servings, and I just have been reheating the taco filling with the tortillas, and I have not been reheating heating up the pico de gallo. I like that to be a little bit cold out of the fridge, like on top as a delicious topping for that. So that's how I've been doing it. I've just been keeping the tortillas in the fridge and pulling them out when I'm ready to eat my shrimp tacos. Another thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. So excited. And yeah, definitely check out the link down below to get signed up if you're interested, and also use the promo code for $80 off plus free shipping on your first box. I'm so excited to go cook these other recipes. Like I think I mentioned, I'm actually gonna go cook one of them right now, and I'm not sure which one to do, but I think I'm leaning towards the garden spinach ricotta ravioli. I think I'm gonna cook that one up right now and have that for meal prep. I have not looked forward to eating my own prepared meals than I do now that I have been using HelloFresh, so I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.